Today I'm trying a new miniature guitar tuner. Look how small it is, and let's have a look what's inside. So here we get the thing. It's a tiny one, and the user manual, of course. Let's see how this little thing works. Here you see the button, and I like this design with the little cat. The output and the input for the normal size jack, and the little rubber pad so that it stays steadily on the surface. Okay, now let's see how it works. This is my bass, and I plugged it to the tuner, and the output signal goes to the amp, and this is the power supply. I'm turning the volume up. This is what it sounds like. And now when I press the tuner, what will happen? It actually just shows me the note, right? And I can use it to tune, and the signal doesn't go through the amp. So it's pretty useful. You can tune on the stage without disturbing the other musicians, just between the songs. And it's such an easy thing because you can just tap on it and it's off. And you can hear your bass, and you can tap on it again and tune that string very quickly, and then you are in the game. If you have a pedal board with lots of different pedals, you'll find this one very handy because it's a tiny one, it doesn't take a lot of room, and it doesn't do anything with your signal when it's off. If you don't have a pedal board, it works fine as well. You just plug it in the line with your guitar or the bass. What I like about the pedal tuner, you don't have to wear your clip tuner on the headstock so that people don't ask what's there on your guitar. I find this device really handy, or maybe I shall say footy. I really like this one. Just one little moment. The power cord is not included in the package, and you will need to find and use your own one. Although it is not a problem, is it? I do recommend this device for guitar and bass players.